for few seconds.
Yes,
Now,
which is being recorded. Yeah.
yeah.
So your name is Shishma, right?
Yes. Yeah, Sushma. So, hi, Manoj. Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful. So could you please elaborate yourself? Where are you from? What do you
Yes,
do?
of course. Yeah. Yes, of course. As you know that my name is Sushma and I'm from Delhi. I am a full-time manager of my home and blessed with two children. And talking about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, so nowadays I have only one hobby to post a conversational video to improve my communication skills
Oh, you
because
have
I want to.
you have your
Sorry.
YouTube you have your YouTube channel?
Yes, just I have created that for improving myself. Only 15 days ago, I have created my channel.
Oh my God! How many videos have you created so far?
So I have uploaded there are 15 videos, 50, 14 or 15 videos, and some solo videos also uploaded there regarding the grammar and phrasal verb and idioms. So this kind of video upload I uploaded over there. Only 15 to 16 videos are available.
Just for 15 days.
Exactly, yeah. Only 2 weeks ago, I have created only just for improving myself because in that way we can improve. If we have a goal to do anything, so in that way, I have to create all the things like search content, which kind of content like people like, and regarding that content, I most of the time make that video.
Okay. Oh,
Grammar.
Sushma, I have a question here. Right now, which
Okay.
is being recorded, right? So can I see this video after you know our discussion? Can I get this video?
Yeah. Yes, if there are some issues are going on here. Sometime we can get the video, but sometime we don't. So let's see later if we will get the video because sometime we get, and if we get the video, so both of us we can easily that download that in the Skype application only. It is not possible in the Team application because we are unable to download that application on Team or
Okay.
that videos. Yeah. Mhm.
So do you get a chance to upload one video at least?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yes.
Because we both can upload. Do you have a YouTube channel as well?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. For past 1 week, I've been only I had just uploaded two conversational videos. So before that,
Okay.
I make just solo videos. I used to
Hmm.
make in terms of grammar and all, such kind of videos.
Yeah.
So I just came,
Hmm.
then I started making videos, conversational
Yeah.
videos.
Yes. But people likes only the solo videos, so that they don't have time to watch that conversational video. If that video have like maybe 20 minutes and 15 minutes and 16 minutes, so that because they don't have so much time to watch this kind of long videos. Most of the time, reels they like, but
Oh,
some kind of if the conversation is interesting,
were you
so
were you
then they go with that.
were you born and raised in Delhi?
Yes. I was born and raised in Delhi, and also got married in Delhi.
Oh, Delhi city itself.
Yeah. Yes. Delhi city itself.
Okay,
Yeah. So
sounds
have you
good.
ever been here,
No, I have
Delhi?
never been to Delhi. I like to visit. I like to visit Red Fort. Uh,
There are lots of monument here.
yeah. I like to visit all the places.
Hmm. Yes. Yeah,
Okay,
you must visit once.
yeah. Let me just introduce myself. My name is Manoj. You may have seen my name on screen. I'm from
Oh
Telangana.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm not
Telangana.
from Hyderabad city. I was born in a
Okay.
called Karimnagar, which is about 150 kilometers away from Hyderabad city. You may have heard about Hyderabad city, right?
Yes. I have heard many times because I also connected with many person. in this application as well as in the other application and the other application like Joestalk and Ace Fluency, because I used to use those kind of applications. So I got people over there from Hyderabad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you hear anything about Hyderabad city?
No, I haven't heard so much about that, but I like most of the people, they are working over there. Otherwise, no, there's no any other thing. Like we can say, there is a very summer, like hot season over there this time. I,
Okay. Yeah.
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 So,
When
is
it comes,
there any?
yeah, when it
Mhm.
comes to education, I done my BTech in computer science. Uh, and when it comes to my work experience, I worked at TechMahindra for about a couple of years. Then I had to resign my job during COVID time. I was not happy what I was doing. Then I had to resign
Mm.
on my true calling towards communication skills and all. Uh, Later, I got a chance to work in sales and marketing company.
Mm.
So, but after working for 1 year, so I just got to know my company was running out of business. So we were told to resign our job. Then I had to resign my.
Mm.
But by passion, for about 4 to 5 years, I have been helping people in terms of spoken English, communication skills.
Mm.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's,
So, are you a teacher?
exactly. I'm an English language trainer. I enjoy helping people.
Okay. 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 That's very good. That's very good. Yeah.
Yeah,
So, like, are you taking the online classes or like physical offline classes?
take online classes.
Only online classes.
Yeah, yeah. So right now you're not working, right? You're not working anywhere, right? You're a
Yes,
housewife.
yes. I'm totally housewife. Yeah. So that's why I have lots of time to work on my communication skills because my both children have grown up. So
You have,
now I can say this is the high time.
did you
Hmm?
work any? Did you work in a company? You didn't work in a
No, no,
company, right?
no. I haven't tried. Yeah, I haven't tried yet.
You done your graduation. Later, you got married.
Yes. Between the graduation, I got married because I have completed my graduation from my in-laws' home.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, that's why. I didn't get chance to do any kind of job. Then after getting married, that all the housewives they have to engross totally in their like family, and they saddle lots of responsibilities because they have to wear multiple hats after getting married, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes. You
yeah.
have many hands. You had to
Mm.
wake up in the morning. You had to do the dishes.
Mm. Yes,
Curry.
all the things because we don't have any kind of helper. Still, I don't have any helper. I do my whole household chore with my own. So yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Uh,
Mm.
what about your husband? What does your husband do?
Yeah, he does a government job. He is a government officer. So
Okay,
he is the superintendent and
man,
ministry and finance. Yeah.
great, great. How about your children? How old are they?
Yeah, they have grown up now. They are doing their job.
Oh, they are doing the jobs.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's
May I know your hobbies?
sorry, habits.
Yeah, hobbies. Yeah.
Hobbies, yeah, I have told. I have all. Okay, okay. I think other person I have told. Like nowadays, I only have one hobby. If we talk about the any other hobbies, so then I used to have that kind of hobbies like playing badminton and cooking and stitching too. But nowadays, because of this spoken English language, because I'm totally totally delve into the this conversation, we
Why?
English conversation.
Yeah.
So that's why I don't do any other thing nowadays. Only just I am improving my communication skill first. Then after I have a like goal to open my boutique because in that way this is the like you have a great knowledge about the English if you are going to open your boutique. So because if I open my boutique in a like a high level society, so I have to encounter this kind of people so with whom I have to deal in English, right? So that's why I'm learning English. Yeah,
That's the reason you want to enhance your communication skill.
exactly. Yeah. In
Okay.
some extent you can say, but I have been very passionate about this language. I totally obsessed with this language, so that's why I got a chance right now. Because earlier I also tried many times to improve my communication skill, but I didn't get good chance or good platform and good scenario.
Okay.
But now everything is available.
What was your medium during your schooling
In
school
Yeah,
days?
totally Hindi medium. I was
Hindi.
totally Hindi medium. Yeah.
How did you improve
Only
your
the
How did you improve your English language? You are speaking good English.
Yeah, but it's been 2.5 years, no more than that. That's why after practicing the people, I also burned midnight oil, so that's why I got this kind of level. So like I worked hard on my grammar portion first, and then start using the this kind of application to speak, because learning thing is different and spoken part is different. Right. So, yeah, because speaking comes by speaking. So, speaking is must. So, in that way, I came to know, I stumble upon this kind of platforms like where we can talk with the people in English, and without paying any money, we can talk with them after using this application. So, and yeah, after practicing, I am here right now. So I am little bit okay with the people in conversation, because I am able to convey my message to them easily. Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good. Great, great, Sushma. It's a good to know about you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you
any
so much. Yeah.
Sushma?
Yeah. So like you are new here in this application, Skype, because
It,
now earlier I didn't see your name, this kind of name
it's been
section.
just, I think, 2 days. One of my friends, she added me in this group.
Okay. Hmm.
Now I have, texted message, right? Then I thought, I want
Hmm.
to with you.
Yeah, okay. Because yesterday I also saw your name, but I thought, okay, he is new here. Because
Yeah.
when I used to, because I have been using this application only for 2 months. So then after, now I got the message, okay, this application is going to be shut down. But it is not, this is not good.
Well, she added me in this group. So earlier, I
Hmm.
used to send emails to other speakers. So they used to accept, my request, and they used to send,
Okay.
you can connect
Hmm.
this time. But here in this group, just you can ask, anyone is free for video call. Quickly, you can just connect.
Hmm.
It doesn't.
Okay. But most of the people do that, yeah, go with the video call, because there are lots of YouTubers are here, or they prefer to go with the video call only. Then
Yeah,
sometime they go with the audio call while doing like in the evening time or lunch time and morning time. Otherwise, most of the time they go with only the video call, because they want the video for their channel. So in
yeah,
that way.
exactly. Have you had your supper?
Yes, yes, I have completed all my work.
Okay, what did you have? You guys know, you like to have chapati at night.
Yes, right. In like both time, in lunch and dinner, we most of the time have chapatis and sometimes pearls and any other vegetables.